I wonder if you'd stay. You knew the things I kept away. I wonder what you'll do. Would you charge me with your hate? You never really knew just how terribly I needed you. You are nowhere to be found. I was falling fast into the ground. Have I lost? Have I lost you? Have I lost? Have I lost you? I hurt myself that night. There was no one there to end the fight. Remember what I did. He was no one really, just a kid. Have I lost? Have I lost you? Have I lost? Have I lost you? Have I lost? Have I lost you? Have I lost? Have I lost you?
I drank for you and me. Much too much, but not enough, you see. I thought that it's okay, dying slowly just today.
Have I lost? Have I lost you? Have I lost? Have I lost you? Have I lost? Have I lost you? Have I lost? Have I lost you?
There is a balm in Gilead. It comes like wisdom, speaks like children. It's a sight to the blind and a strength to my weakness. It's something for soul, body, mind. There is a balm in Gilead. It's a rest for the weary, a song to the sore. It's due to my dryness that fills me with joy when I had none. There is a balm in Gilead. It's a spring in the desert for the withered soul. It's a strength and a power that keeps making you whole. It's the question you're asking and the answers you need. It's the face you've been seeking, the one you've been begging to see. so tender and mild. Sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, holy night. All is calm, all is bright. Round yon virgin mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild. Sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly